So in this video, I'm going to show you 3 alternatives to Microsoft Office. Well, Microsoft Office is the #1 choice to go because it has excellent features and tools. Not many people are willing to pay the price, whether it be yearly or monthly. Most of us cannot afford this price, but if you're like me and only open a document or spreadsheet once every 6 months, then a free alternative is what I need and what you need. So let's get started. Okay, so at #1 is FreeOffice. FreeOffice was voted the best Office alternative by Digital Trends and works with existing Office files. FreeOffice also have a free PDF editor as well, so check that out. Let's move on to #2. So at #2 we have Apache OpenOffice, known as just OpenOffice. Mainly used by Linux fans, but it's a big hit on Windows 10. So it works with all MS Office file types and is a great alternative. But one thing to note is when you're saving your work, make sure you change the file type, because OpenOffice uses its kind of own default file type system. So if you do save it and forget to change it, it's not going to open in OpenOffice somewhere else, for instance at work. So, and not to mention, OpenOffice calls its apps different names, like Microsoft Office's Word, they call it Writer. So #3 is LibreOffice. It's quick, it's light, and it's pretty awesome. I mean, LibreOffice was built from the ground up for low performance netbooks and laptops to give you a high performance, all rolled into a small package. I mean, out of the 3, LibreOffice has the fastest install time. So if you need to open a document in a hurry, then this is the one for you to go for. So I'm going to post the links to all 3 down below. So do let me know in the comments which one you find the best. So thank you for watching, and click that like button and the sub button if you want to. Bye bye.